your location. Let's focus on communication, 'cause I just need the time and place to come close.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. So today's gonna be a little bit of a different type of video. I'm gonna be cleaning. It's not really that messy. We had cake yesterday. I just ate some chicken, but yesterday was my sister-in-law's birthday, so I cleaned up a little bit, and then I decided, like, why don't I just do it in like a vlogging type of video. But it's not that messy, but I do want to rearrange like the TV and move it that way, and then move the couches this way. I'm not sure yet, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then of course Isaac got into something. He always has to touch something. Huh? You always gotta touch something? Yeah, but he made a mess with his little crackers, so I have to mop, sweep, and then rearrange the whole thing. So I just figured, why don't I just film it? So I'm gonna start, I think I'm gonna start in the kitchen, so that way I can like load the dishwasher.
I just wanna
overview of the dining room. This is how the dining room came out. I'm still using the cleaning products, that's why they're on the table. I'll show you this in a second. The chairs are pulled out. It's because Isaac likes to get into the chairs and he likes to mess with everything, huh? What do you have? Give me this. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, but this is how the kitchen turned out. I'm pretty sure you guys seen it in the house tour video or the apartment tour video. But this is trash. I'm gonna have Isaac throw that out whenever he throws out the trash. But this is how the kitchen turned out. I'm making him some macaroni and cheese, so that's why there's like stuff on the stove. But yeah, that's how the kitchen and the dining room came out. If you guys are wanting to watch these series, I wanted to do the dining room and the kitchen together in like one whole video, but I figured since I'm already editing this video, it's already like at like 10 to 15 minutes, and I wasn't sure how long it would be for the living room just because I kind of wanted to move it around. But now I'm not so sure because I kind of like the way that the living room is. So I think I'm gonna leave it by itself, but it's still gonna be a long process because I gotta take out the rugs and I'm gonna deep clean the couches. So I'm probably just gonna record that separate in a separate video because it would be way too long screen. But I am doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers, so if you guys are interested in winning one of these little Morphe palettes, then subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'll show you guys what kind of I'm gonna try to actually go back to Ulta and buy the same one, but this is the palette that I'm giving away. Of course I'm not giving out this one because this one's mine, but this is the palette. These are the colors. I wanted to give away something that like I really would use on a daily basis, and I figured this one. It's the 9C. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, make sure you guys are subscribed so that way you guys can win this Morphe palette. Like I said, not this one because this one's mine. But yeah, if you guys want to win that Morphe palette, then go ahead and just subscribe to our channel. And that's pretty much it. So we'll see you guys in our next vlog.